Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to make an open box that's going to finish up like this using Basic Black and Beautiful Ordinary Life. Now, this is the suite and it's all very much the bright colours, but in there you can see there's some polka dots. So I'm using those ones. I just wanted to use the black and the lovely pool party. So I've got a piece of cardstock here that is 10 by 8 inches, which is 25 by 20 centimetres. And then some pieces of paper, which I'll give you the measurements of those when I come to it. Okay, on the long side, so don't worry about writing down the measurements because there's quite a few. They'll be all in my blog post, so if you click open the description bar, the link is there direct to this project, and you can see all the measurements there, but I will read them out to you. 1/2 inch, oopsie, let's get that correct, 1/2 inch to 4, 6, 8 and 9.5, so that's all in inches, which is 1, 5, 10, 15, 20 and 24. And then on the short side, oh, I did wibble down that one as well, didn't I? Look, 1/2 inch, there we go. On the short side, 2 inches and 4 inches, which is 5 and 10 centimetres. It's not 2 and 4, it's 2 and 6, which is 5 and 15, and I need to correct that on my notes. That's 5 and 15. Okay, so let's get this burnished. So this is just Basic Black. Basic Black is the greatest finish for everything. Ignore these little short or narrow score lines. Yeah, Basic Black, great black background for colours like this. Okay, these shorter ones we're going to fold back against themselves because this is going to form the top of our box just there. So there's some bits we need to get rid of. So we need to get rid of all of that outer corner, which is this one here. That outer corner's gone. We're going to do the same all the way around. So all 4 of those gone. And the last one, there we go. So that's those 4 gone. We need to keep this one straight because we're going to fold these in on themselves. So actually wedge that bit and chop a bit off. Okay. Can you see that? There we go. So straight on the central one and wedge the rest. Just chop those bits off as well. Right. So that's all rubbish, and it's all going to fold up in such a way like that. So I've got these pieces of pattern paper to put on top. So the pieces I've got, so we don't need this one that's in the centre. These measure 3.5 inches, sorry, 3 3/4 by 1 3/4. These measure 3 3/4 by 1 1/4, and those measure 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. And then in metric, 9.5 by 4.5, 9.5 by 3.5, and those are 4.5 by 4.5. And this is this lovely polka dot, that pattern. Where's my Seal Plus? No, I just want Seal, not Seal Plus. So again, ignoring that middle part. Oopsie, there we go. Last one. And that's going to go on there. Okay. So now what I want to do is close this up. So I need to put glue on these tabs because it's going to fold in like that. So glue on here, and I have got some tear and tape around. Take the backing off all of those. Okay, so bring it round to fold up. And that one as well. So that's one side done, and then we'll do the other side. And that's the box made, so it's just a case of how you close it. So you could put a couple of binder clips on the top, you could punch holes and do ribbon. I'm actually going to go round and round with baker's twine. Because I want to stick with this sort of tonal black. And actually, what I might do, just with my snips, I'm just cutting a teeny tiny little divot out. Can you see that? Probably not. It's going to focus on everything but. So there's a tiny little divot out there and here, and it's just going to keep hold of that twine so it's not going to slip. You see it better against my finger? There you go, just a little divot, just at the point where it bends. Remove scissors from hand, and then, yeah, hopefully now this won't move. Yes, it's catching quite nicely in there. If I don't get it caught up. There we go. So it's caught in those places, so it's not going to slip anymore. And then I'm going to try and tie a bow. Need a bigger loop on that one. There we go. So that's a bit of a flouncy little bow. So that's quite sweet as it is with the spots, but I do want to finish it off with, these are the Floral Flight accents, which are beautiful die cut black flowers and butterflies, which I think if I take this off you should be able to see better. They're all die cut. Now I don't want, that's a huge great big one. I want something fairly small, which is probably going to be that butterfly. So these are kiss cut, so there's a little, the edges are caught. I'm going to take that butterfly and this flower, and maybe this bit as well. If I can get it to come out. This is quite thick, this cardstock. It's thicker than our die cuts have been previously. And this has got all sorts of bits to pop out. If I knew where my die brush was, I would get that. But I don't know where it is. So that's part of the beautiful Ordinary Life suite. And that's an enormous one there. That's definitely a scrapbook page, that great big black flower in the centre. This one here, can you see how big it is? It's huge. Probably should have prepped these before, but you know, talk amongst yourselves. Don't actually know how I'm going to stick these to my project either. Haven't thought that one through. And then more here. These butterflies are very pretty. I'm addicted to our butterflies this year. I think I've done two or three projects with the All Aflutter stamp and die set. Oh, my cat's just woken up. She's purring next to me. I can hear it. Okay, almost there. Right, now to stick these on. Not sure how I'm going to do that. Any suggestions? I don't have fine tip glue, so that's out the window. I'm thinking just Tombow. So I'm just putting little bits down here. So just like that. I'm going to cut a bit off the bottom. That's working. Oh, I've got one left. Some more on here. So yeah, just tiny little blobs of Tombow. This has got a little bit more space on there. And that, I think, is very charming. Seriously, why does this camera want to focus on anything but the project? There we go. I think that's lovely, and that's a nice little open basket. It finishes up 2 by 2 by 4 inches, so 5 by 5 by 10 centimetres. And just very sweet. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.